Thomas and Friends, episode 260, Arthur Braves the Hurricane. Hi, Arthur. Hi, Percy. Did you hear? A hurricane is coming to Sodor in the next few minutes. Yeah, my driver heard about that on his phone. Well, do you think we should go to Tim's sheds? Yes, we shall. Come on. Ow! Damn safety valve! Don't worry, Percy. I'll help you. Thanks, Arthur. Now, let's go. Darn it. The track is blocked. What should we do now? We run. The hurricane is here. Ugh, there's some debris on the track. What should we do? We plowed through it. Percy, Arthur, you made it. Yes, we did. Okay, now that we're all here, when do you think the hurricane is going to be over? I have no clue, Arthur. I have no clue. Hey guys, what is it, driver? The hurricane is clearing up, so that means the storm is nearly over. Okay, if you say so. Come on, let's stay tucked in our sheds. Of course. Who's going to help me into my shed? Yes, that's it, Win. Push me in. Thank you.